Hi everyone. So this is our second car of the day, and this is Autorounders Hyderabad and not Mumbai. So we are very glad that we have opened this workshop in Hyderabad, and that's our customer, Mr. Deepak. Hi. So we were in touch since almost 2 years, and Deepak had decided to come to Mumbai, but then all this COVID and Corona. And luckily after that we have come to Hyderabad, so Deepak and his car and we all are here now. So we'll be working on this car. This is one of the classic car. It's a Ford Ikon. It was a craze at that time, and that's the reason why Deepak bought it and he wants to retain it. This key, let me show you very closely. I was also fan of this key. Like, you know, this round key was never available. So that's the car. We'll be working on this car from outside. We'll try to retain the originality. Interior also we are going to customize. We'll keep full black with red stitching. And we want to keep interior sporty, and outside we'll want to keep it as original as possible. So yeah, Deepak will be working on car. And thank you so much for giving us an opportunity and waiting for us. Thank you. It was a pleasure.
What the way?
Yes. So see you guys. We'll be keeping you posted about this car. And just opened. Yesterday we did the puja. A lot of things are pending. But yeah, the customers were waiting, so we have started taking cars. So in case you want to come here, please do visit, and see you guys. Thank you so much. So guys, this is the same Ford Ikon which we received yesterday. And now we are doing a detailed video shoot of the before condition of the car. So as I said, it's a classic Ford Ikon. And there are a lot of things which needs to be done. You can see the fog lights have fallen, so we will be installing projector fog lamp in this car. The bonnet alignment, you can see it's not proper, so even that has to be done. The front bumper, you can see it's on the screw. So we'll have to come closer, Nagraj. So here you can see it's on a screw. So maybe it's the earlier person must have done it because the bumpers are not available actually, because this is a very old model. So the bumpers and the brackets were difficult to find, I think. So that's why he has done this. We'll be painting this full car. Also the interior of this car, you can see, is a standard interior. And we'll be customizing this into full black interior with red stitching. The steering wheel and everything will be in genuine leather with wooden finish. Seat covers will be custom made seat covers of a very good quality. Even the door pads will get customized. We will try to add leather wherever possible. The existing condition of the car is a little bad because I think it's a very old model, and the customer is a fan. This is a crash, so we're going to get it back to the original condition. The tail light is broken. A lot of scratches on this. So let's see. It also has some mechanical work like AC and suspension. So left mirrors are broken. We might even put alloy. The front windshield is broken. So actually, when we spoke to the customer, why he didn't get these things rectified, he said, I was waiting for Autorounders to come to Hyderabad. So anything, whatever was happening, he was not doing anything because he wanted us to work on his car. He has been in touch with us in the last 2 years. So stay tuned guys. We'll show you once the work starts and also once the job is done. Thank you so much. Hi everyone. So you can see this Ford Ikon is now completely ready. We have also installed the projector fog lamps in this car. This full car has been painted in paint booth with pearl white color, and you can see the finish of pearl white. The material used is Glasurit German brand, the most premium brand used by Audi, BMW. Even the interior you can check, completely customized with full black theme and red stitching. Even the roof material we have changed to black, and door pads also you can see is in black with red stitching and wooden finish. The steering wheel is in genuine leather with red stitching and wooden finish. And very interesting thing done is the touchscreen that we have installed. It's a custom made. Even the dash cam is installed. The gear knob is in genuine leather, handbrake again genuine leather. And you can see, being even if the car is old, but seat cover fitting is perfect because it's a custom made seat cover done by us in-house. So in case if you want to get any such job done, you can call us on 7666 930 930 for Mumbai and 7666 830 830 for Hyderabad. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.
Right. So finally, we are delivering this car. He's our customer Deepak. Still, I remember, second day of launch of an Hyderabad, workshop. He came here, and he was, we are very much excited to work on this car because it's very old, Ford Ikon. So, can you please share your experience with them?
Sure. Well, you are looking at this video, right? So it says that a picture is worth 1,000 words. And looking at this video, and I'm sure you would have already seen the before and after images. So I have lots of words, the kind of work the Autorounders team has put into. Special thanks to Satish Dada and Nagaraj Garu and his whole team that they have put in amazing transformation. You would see the kind of car the condition was in earlier, and now it is completely changed. So thank you so much. Thank you, Autorounders.